Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, we are going to see how we can use symbols in Adobe Illustrator to save us a lot of time and effort, and it is very easy to use symbols. So let's get started. So first, I will take any object and convert it into a symbol. You can choose any color. So I will choose this color over here. I will turn off the stroke. Now using this panel over here, symbols, or if you don't find the panel over here, simply go to window and go to symbols right here. Now we can do it directly by dragging it into this particular area, or we can simply click on this plus mark over here and choose any of these options. It doesn't really matter because this is related to animation, so whichever you keep, it doesn't really matter. So I will name it 1. You can name it anything that you want. Press OK. Now as you can see, this plus mark denotes that this object is now symbol. So we can drag it from here, or we can simply copy using Ctrl+C Ctrl+V, or Alt and drag, or Option or drag if you are using Mac. Now what I'll do is I will create some more artboards or pages. So I will select this option, artboard option, and I will create some more pages. So let's say I will keep this over here so that it is easy to watch the pages together like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these symbols and paste it over here. I'm using the Alt key and left click, drag. So we first converted that object into symbol and then we copied. So what is the benefit of that? Let's say after using a particular object, you later realize that you need to change something. It can be anything, the shape or the color. So we can simply go to any of the object now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be the first object. We can select any object that we want and simply double click, press OK. Now we can change it. I will zoom it a little bit. Now we can change the color like this. So I'll need to select the fill first. I will turn off the stroke now. And if you want to change the shape, you can do that as well. So let's say I want this shape, and once I will zoom out, once I click over here, or you can simply double click outside, so it will change everything. So that is the benefit of using symbols. In just one click we can change all the objects. So let's say if you are drawing a diagram and you have to use same object multiple times in different places. So let's say if we use a normal object and later we realize that we need to change something in that particular object, so we have to delete all the objects. Then again we need to create new object and place it on the same places that we previously kept the objects. So instead of that, if we use symbols, we can change all the objects in just one go. So I will show you now how we can use the similarly use the text symbol. So first I will create a text. I will write some text. So let's say I will increase the size. So I will write my channel's name, Graphics Den. So I will change the font. So I want Montserrat, this one. Now I will convert this again into a symbol like this, GT. Okay, now this is a symbol. Now I'm simply going to paste it on all the pages or artboards. So I will simply go to edit, cut. Now instead of copying it, I will use a different option, paste on all artboards. So it will paste it on all artboards. It can be anything, the number can be anything. So even if I have 100, 200 artboards, it will copy in one go. Which option? This one, paste on all artboards. Now let's say I want to change this text. So let's say if you write down maybe a phone number or address and later you realized that you need to change something, so we can simply, you can select any text, it doesn't really matter. So double click press OK. Again double click to change it. So let's say I want to write graphics den studios again, and again I want to change the color, so I will take this color. And so as you can see, even if I change only one object, it will change, the change will take place in all the objects. So that is the benefit of using symbols in Adobe Illustrator, because it will save us a lot of time and effort. So please give it a go, use symbols to make your designs more efficient, to save time. And so that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.